Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Slack for team collaboration. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Slack and log into your workspace. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the sidebar where channels, messages, and apps are organized. Create channels for different projects or topics. Use a naming convention to keep channels organized. Encourage team members to join the relevant channels. Pin important messages or files in channels for easy access. Utilize threads to keep conversations focused. Reply to messages in threads rather than cluttering the main channel. Set up reminders for important deadlines or meetings. Integrate your calendar app for better scheduling. Use custom emojis to enhance team communication and engagement. Implement Slack bots to automate repetitive tasks. Explore the apps section to find tools that can streamline your. Ensure everyone on the team is trained on Slack features. Schedule weekly check-ins to discuss communication effectiveness. Encourage feedback on the communication tools and practices. Regularly review channel memberships to keep them relevant. Promote the use of Slack's search function for finding past messages. Create a channel for social interaction to build team morale. Use the status feature to communicate availability. Establish guidelines for communication tone and response times. Encourage the use of video calls for more complex discussions. Leverage Slack's file sharing capabilities for better document collaboration. Set notifications to stay updated without being overwhelmed. Use Slack's bookmarks to save useful links and resources. Archive channels that are no longer active to reduce clutter. Regularly remind the team to update their profile and status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.